Can y'all see the beautiful rainbow? Look. Oh my God. Haven't seen a rainbow in years. Y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Look at it. Right there. See right there? So pretty. Let me see if I can zoom in. The rainbow is, what color is that? Purple, green, yellow, pink, and purple. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. So guys, today is going to be a little bit different. We might have a tea time, or we might not. I'm not sure, but we're starting off our day, y'all. It's a very good day. It might be about 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around there. Got a couple of moves to be making today, here and there. So thought I'll bring you guys along from the beginning to kind of the end. Y'all know what's so funny? Y'all see me with this brush. I remember last weekend, I was getting ready to brush the boy's hair, and MJ said, "Oh my God." He was like, "I don't want my hair brushed. I don't want my hair brushed." I'm like, "What's wrong?" He was scared of this. Y'all know this is a dog brush, but I never used it on the dog, but I used it on my hair. And it was just so funny. I'm thinking like, why don't you want me to brush your hair? I wasn't even thinking that could be the reason why, but that was the reason. So just a little fun fact, guys, that's all. Just a little fun fact this morning. It's supposed to be nice here today in Ohio. I think it's supposed to get to 79? Yeah, 79 or something like that. So yeah. So hold on, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all on the flip side. I just came in here to do something to my hair. We have some visitors this morning. I'll turn you around and show you. Oh, do y'all want to see the how things turned out? It looks really nice in here. Look at this. It looks so nice in here. So nice. I absolutely love it. I love it. So this is how this mirror looks. Y'all look at it. It just opens up the space. It's so big. Now I can just do like this if y'all want to see. On down to the shoes. Yeah. So yeah. Today I'm going to be removing this. Y'all, I'm going to be removing this. Yes, I am. And I'm going to, my son gave me my son bought me something from, what is that store, Five Below? And I don't want, he just told me to go back and exchange it. I'm going to go back and exchange this for a t-shirt or something. But that's why I have the screwdriver, because I'm going to be removing that. So we'll have some more space, guys. But we have visitor this morning. Let me see if I can show y'all. Oh, wait a minute. We have repairs getting done to the roof, if you guys could see. Let me see if I can open this door. The roofers are here. So we have all that going on. All that going on. So yeah, I don't know if we ever said anything. But we had a leak. And it started in here. It started in the family room. Up here, if you guys can see. So let me see. I'm trying to show y'all a good look. But it's here. It's here and it's here. So once they're done with oh, sorry guys, I'm so dark. Once they're done with all that, they'll come in here and they'll repair the roof. So thank God for that. So yeah, we don't have to worry about it. And we chose, trying to see if y'all can see the color. Can y'all see the color of, it's a steel, it's a metal, but it's like a tan color metal. Let me see if I can open up the window and I can show you guys. I'll show you through the window. You also can see the flower bed, guys. But if you see here, maybe you can't see, y'all. It's a tannish color. Let me see if I can show you up here. Okay, so y'all see it now. It's a tannish color. So yeah, that's it for right now. I'm going to be removing those things. Oh, I'm going to be swapping out this pillow too. I'm going to put this pillow is going in the room. I'll show you. I'm just trying to, y'all already know when something come in, something got to go out. I'm sorry. So I'm going to switch this pillow for this one. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's tan and it really doesn't go. And it's not, this material is not right. So y'all know how it is. So guys, I will see you back in another part of the video today. All right. Sorry, I almost forgot to show y'all one more thing. So y'all knew everything was in here was like gold and stuff. And I think I was like having a little bit too much gold. So I took that hammer spray paint and this is what I spray painted. On his side, I spray painted this that was gold. And I like it. It's the hammer color. Look, y'all like that? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? All right, guys, welcome to Tea John 13. So that the Son may bring you glory to the Father. You may ask me for anything in my name, and I will do it. Meaning, when you need him to like restore you, to heal you, when you come to him for things, that he hears you, that he will help you, and he will do it. So basically, as long as you're doing your part, he's saying that when you go to him, he's going to take care of it. So you have to just go to him. That we have to be very diligent in our prayer life, in our seeking him, in our time with the Lord, far as setting time aside for him only. Like even if it's a whole day, y'all, I mean it, like hours. Spend the day with him. Watch things that are relatable to him. Talk to people on the phone that is relatable to him, what is in here. Read this, which is relatable to him. Prayer, which is relatable to him. So yeah, whatever we ask for, he will do it as long as we seek him and it is good in him. Not anything else, but in him. But for that, y'all, did y'all have y'all tea, y'all water, your orange juice? Did you get it? Coffee? I have coffee today. So for that, we're going to take a sip. Guys, it is a beautiful Saturday. I want you guys to enjoy it, but take out some time for him, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys, for tuning in for another episode of Tea Time. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. I love you. So if no one's never told you they love you, I do. I love you with the peace of God. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. All forgot, I got one more thing on the list that I'm going to be letting go today. So I'm not going to put it on, I'm not going to put list it on offer up, but I'm just going to get rid of it because I don't need it. And I tried to use it several times. It just doesn't fit with the aesthetics, and it doesn't work for me, period. So this is what I am going to be letting go. Y'all remember this cutting board that has this coal slate on it? It's very beautiful. And I did kind of like burn it a little bit here, but it's still able to be used. Uh-oh, y'all. Guess what? It's got to go. She just broke it. Oh my God. So basically, you have this. Guys, I can't believe that. On camera, it broke. But you know what? I was going to let it go anyway. So that is just letting me know it's really time for it to go. So that's what I'm going to let go. So I will be donating that piece. It can still be used. But, oh well. I'll see you guys. Guys, I'm back. Y'all, I almost forgot about y'all. Like, we're literally, it's like 7 o'clock in the evening. I took a nap. I'm like, oh my God. But I did go to Five Below, and I'm gonna show y'all what's in my bag. But I wanted to do an update on the back here in the garden area. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. This side is done over here, all the way done. So what we did was we moved the rocks that was right here. So this is what it looks like now, and that's how it would stay. And like I said, it will put some floodlights here, and then over here on that side, that is done. So that is how it looks, y'all. I really like this. I really like this. So yeah, and then another floodlight here, so it will point up that way towards the deck. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do y'all think about it? Yeah, let me know what y'all think. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys really quick the what I got from Five and Below. Five and Below got some good stuff, y'all. Okay, so let me set y'all down right here, and we're gonna get into it. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Okay, so what we got, y'all. I'm so grateful that they let me exchange that that picture frame. So anyway, because they still were selling those anyway, and like I said, it was a gift to me, and I didn't want it. That's why I don't really like people buying me stuff, because if I don't need it, I'll be trying to just find a place for it, which I tried to do, and I didn't need it. But this is something I can use. This is it says it's it is real cotton. It's a cotton yoga. It says it's a yoga throw, cotton yoga throw. Honey, I'm using it for a throw for real. So what I'm gonna do is, I love the print. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna put this one on the actual on the bed, and then I'll switch the black and white one and put it in the family room, because it doesn't match. The one that's in there doesn't match, but it is cotton. I'll probably give it to somebody who likes cotton, but this is the print. I think it's real pretty, and it's big, y'all. It's real big. I can tell you right now what size it is if you're interested. But for $5, you can't beat it. It's 50 by 60. That's really a lot. That's a lot of throw mat. Because actually what I was gonna do was, I was gonna get it and put it back here as a rug. But what I'll do is, I'll just weigh out my options and see, like, maybe next week, if it's still playing in my head, then I'll get one of these, because it is 100% cotton, and put it out here as an outdoor rug, because it is 100% cotton. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And guys, I haven't forgot, she has to put her stuff here, and then I also have to put my thyme that I got from Dollar Tree also in here with the cilantro. So yeah, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.